My most recent doctor's appointment, because I went to a new place, I'm not going to go back there again. The doctor walked in and his face was fully plastic surgery.
Yes.
And like,
hell yeah.
Oh my God.
scary. And like his eye, I was like, that's not a doctor.
And hair plugs.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
I was
Oh
like,
my God,
is
I
this
think
the
we
nurse?
had the exact same experience.
And he goes, you're fine. And I was like, it was all theater. And I was like, what the fuck is
To
happening?
your fully clothed body.
Yeah. I was like, grab my balls. Somebody to call. No, don't.
Pull them till they hurt. Come on.